going to show you how to make some blintzes. A very simple recipe, 5 ingredients. We have some flour, sugar, fat. I'm using butter. You can use coconut oil or whatever you prefer. Eggs and milk. Also, you can substitute that. I'm using the saucepan. It's good for tricks and it's non-stick. Watch yourself. Let's get into it. I'll start by adding my fat to the saucepan I'll be using, and I heat it until melted. Then I add it to my bowl and we crack the eggs. Give that a mix, and then we will add flour, sugar, and a little milk at a time. You don't want to add it all at once. It shouldn't be too thick or too thin. It should be Goldilocks consistency, just right, like this. Now it's time for everybody's favorite part, the filling. I take 2 cups of cottage cheese, and to that, I mix 1 egg. There are many variations to this mixture. This next part is totally optional, but I use almond and orange extract. It just helps elevate the flavor a little bit. Turns it from the more savory to a sweetened, lightened, citrusy kind of aroma. If I know that I'll ever have extras, I just line them up on a baking tray, freeze them off, and then I vacuum seal them. It keeps them fresher and they don't stick together. But I couldn't resist, we have to try one right now. I made this fruit topping with some strawberries, a little bit of sugar and water, and I reduced it all onto the stove till it got thick.